Let us visit a few construction sites and understand how fast and easy it is to build with AEROCON panels. On a simple concrete plinth, fix the galvanized iron channels as per the floor plan and start erecting panels from one corner. The doors and windows are to be positioned as per requirement. Complete all 4 side walls and tie the walls together with truss and purling before the end of the day's work. Now, the walls are ready to take any roofing, including AEROCON panels or alternately AC sheets, steel sheets and so on.